walking down the art district here, and we're gonna go to the Baja brewery.
About a little kid. His name is H.V.A.C. H.V.A.C. stands for International Genetics Being Eco. H.V.A.C.'s colorblind, he has autism, and he's trying to be an artist. As he starts to paint, he realizes he's using 6 elements: his mind, his body, his soul, his ego, his passion, his creativity. Now H.V.A.C.'s no longer sleeping, he becomes completely awake. His body turns into the elephant, and the elephant represents wisdom and knowledge, and different obstacles H.V.A.C.'s about to face. His soul converts into the animal, and the animal represents humanity, how we treat each other. He always runs into the bully that's always picking on H.V.A.C., but H.V.A.C. never gives up. Eventually his soul will convert into this little bird called the Fearless Freedom, and he'll be enlightened forever in the universe as a pure artist. So it's about a little kid who's trying to make a contribution to humanity intellectually as an artist, and it's about a little kid who never gives up.
It's beautiful.
That's amazing.
It's beautiful.
And it rolls up, you can take it in a tube. No, I'm serious. I'm serious.
This guy.
I'm serious. Everybody laughs when I said that, but I'm serious. You don't have to ship it. I make it easy for you. It rolls up. Prices are good on my work. If you want to collect something you need, you know.
the north. We're in the town of Todos Santos. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the Eastern Cape and surf because it's south swells, but today we went up north. So this is Todos Santos, where the famous Hotel California is. We'll try and take a look at it. Check out all that stuff. Let's see how this little town shapes out. Looks pretty cool so far. Come on.
Es delicioso.
Yeah, the best.
Es tacos and salt.
Uh-huh. Mango sauce. Cabbage is where it's at. There it is, the masterpiece, the fish taco. Looking for that taco all week. That was the best fish taco I've had all weekend. Holy Toledo, that was good. Whew.